In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install OneDrive app on mobile. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage app that lets you back up photos, access files across devices, and keep important documents safe. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone. You'll recognize it by the multicolored triangle icon labeled Google Play. It's usually on your home screen or in your app list. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is best for faster downloads, and that you have a little free space on your device. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search option at the bottom of the screen. On some devices, the search bar might be at the top with a magnifying glass icon, and that's fine too. Tap the search field so your keyboard appears and you're ready to type. Now, type OneDrive into the search box. Take a second to check the spelling so you get the correct results. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. The official app you want is simply called OneDrive and is published by Microsoft Corporation. If you see it in the suggestions, that's a good sign you're on the right track. After entering OneDrive, tap the search action on your keyboard or the magnifying glass to run the search. This will load the app's listing along with any similar apps. Look for the OneDrive app with the familiar blue cloud icon and Microsoft listed as the developer. This helps ensure you're installing the legitimate, secure version. On the OneDrive app page, tap Install. The button is usually green and near the top of the screen. Your phone will start downloading and installing the app automatically. You'll see a progress bar, and depending on your connection's speed, this can take a moment. If you're asked to review permissions, that's normal. Cloud storage apps need certain access to function, like reading photos if you plan to back them up. When the installation completes, the button may change to Open, and the app icon will be added to your home screen or app drawer. If you notice it already says Open before you install, that simply means OneDrive is already on your device. That's it. You opened the Play Store, used the search feature, entered OneDrive, ran the search, and installed the app. With those steps done, you're ready to have OneDrive available on your phone whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in real time.